Azan,
Hi, Arshia.
will you cook dinner tonight?
Yes, I enjoy cooking dinner.
Will you help me move tomorrow?
No, I have plans already.
Will you come with me?
Yes, I am free right now.
Will you call me later?
Yes, I will call you after work.
Will you try this new restaurant?
Yes, I love trying new places.
Will you learn to dance with me?
Yes, let's learn together.
Will you support my decision?
Yes, I support your choice wholeheartedly.
Will you be there for me?
Yes, I will always be there.
Will you write me a letter?
Yes, I will write one tonight.